Okay, so when you get the bike, it looks like this. It's flat. The only thing you need to do is you need to make two holes here. You can see this sample we already done. You need to make two holes. You see, after finish, it looks like this. I will send you this part from China. This part is a rear rack with the MIG HD. You see, MIG HD, so that is compatible for the baby chair and our seat. Later I will show you how to install. Okay, so here, it's close to this part. Then install it with the 4 screws. Okay, then fasten it. Okay, now you can see we finished. So that I can show you how to install the seat. First of all, this is our own seat. You can buy or you can contact my service with MIG. You see, yeah. And here also can be installed a baby seat. This baby seat you can see with the MIG HD is compatible. It's from a Bull bike. You can buy it on Amazon. It will be very easy to install. Finish.